Guys, welcome back to another video, and what? Okay then. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, it's gonna rain soon, as you can tell. Oh my god, it is raining. Well, I have a huge thunderstorm on my tongue, and flick. No, there's really no time for flicking. The rain will scare them off anyways. Anyways, it's gonna rain, and as you can tell, last time's rain devastated this place, so see you once I'm in the greenhouse. I don't want to not check on you guys. Oh my god. The whole entire camera, the camera of this thingy is all wet. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, I don't want to not check on these videos today. So I'm just going to check on them because I figured out that I'm checking less and less on these periwinkles. Well, it's not really my fault because my dad gives me so many hours of Zoom. I have to do 8 hours of things he gives me each day. Okay. Good, the baby's here. For the first time, the mommy actually crawled on the roof. Probably because it was thunderstorming. Let's check the salinity. Still pretty salty. Well, anyways, they do deserve some water. After all, it's gonna rain. It's time for them to rain. Yeah. Okay, periwinkles. I might check on you guys later, but my camera's gonna die soon again. Oh my god, why am I so